later this morning. We're going to be taking off out at Gig Harbor, heading over to Longbranch. Again, a first for us. So we look forward to the adventure. Awesome. Well, welcome back to the deck of Artemis out of Gig Harbor at Arabella's Landing Marina. We will be departing here probably within the next half hour, 45 minutes, to head to Longbranch. But Gig Harbor really is a beautiful place to hang out for a day. And today is like picture perfect, blue skies, a nice breeze, warm sun. In fact, you know, we shouldn't really be complaining about it's going to be 85 when our friends let us know that it's going to be 119 at home. Yeah, I think I'll take this weather right now. Anyway, stay tuned for today's adventures. Awesome.
Good morning from Gig Harbor. We are leaving at low tide, hopefully at slack tide for the Tacoma Narrows. So yeah, it's pretty hot here today by local standards, like 85, 88. So yeah. We are rigged up with our spinnaker, see if we can do some downwind sailing. We are hoping to, so we'll see how that works. And we have, worth mentioning, we have met up with our friend Bob, which we, I believe, met up with earlier in this season. So yeah, we're looking forward to doing a little sailing with him for the next few days. Awesome. Okay, we need to... Genoa up.
Okay. Going out this side here.
I can pull it out doing it. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Let me do something before we do anything else. Okay, ready? Yeah. So we are sailing on a pretty broad reach down through the Tacoma Narrows. So it looks like we are pretty close with regards to the slack. We basically have really no significant tidal interaction right now. We're not really being slowed down or sped up a little bit, so it's pretty even. So yeah, it looks like we may have timed it correctly. So we're going to try to keep up with our buddy Bob and see how far we can make it today in the sail. Hopefully a long ways. It'll be awesome. Awesome. So we're actually heading down the Narrows right now. It's a little lumpy, but we are kind of pretty lucky. We're actually getting a little bit of a lift now, so that's excellent. The wind is about 12 true, about 120 degrees. So yeah, not bad. We're kind of a little bit of work, especially with kind of these bumpy conditions in the water. But yeah, we're doing well. So yeah, I'm having a good time. Catherine, are you having a good time?
Having a good time, yes.
Awesome.
Having an awesome time.
Good deal. Awesome time having by all. And we have the Tacoma Narrows Bridge in front of us. If you're a civil engineer, you know that's pretty famous for being a Galloping Gertie is what they called it. The original bridge, they didn't factor the wind loads and the harmonics, and the bridge actually self-destructed. There's a pretty cool video I'm sure out there on YouTube. So, well, it is pretty impressive going underneath the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. We've driven on top of it quite a few times. So yeah, it's two different bridges actually. The one nearest to us is older, and the second one is actually a newer bridge. crazy afternoon. We're getting some pretty gung-ho winds here. We're like, I'm seeing like 17, 18 true wind speed. It's like, whoosh. Full sails up, going at about broad reach. Pretty exciting. Although I suspect right now we're having a little bit of a confluence issue. So, and it's still pretty lumpy. So it's not exactly smooth sailing, to say the least. So it's requiring a fair amount of effort and work. Bit of a workout today, although looking forward I see what looks like a wind line to me, and I suspect we're going to be wishing we had a little bit more wind by the time we get over there. But hey, that's the way it always works, isn't it? So yeah, great day though. Pretty, and the nice thing about it too, worth mentioning, it's been kind of a hot day, and the sails have actually done a great job of providing some great shade, so it's been very comfortable on board. So, okay, back to do some work here. We'll check in later. Awesome. Well, we are still sailing. We are still kind of on a bit of a broad reach. We are, let's see, how long into it right now? We left at what? Yeah, we're 2 hours into our sail, so it's not too bad. Looks like we have about a little under 6 nautical miles to go. We have a pretty decent wind blowing us at about 14 knots, so from about 130 degree angles. So we're doing pretty decent. I finally kind of just gave up and let the autopilot take care of the sailing duties for a little bit. It does continue to be very lumpy in the back over here, and it just creates downwind sailing. Just makes it a little tougher because it just kind of drives you around. So yeah, so I'm enjoying a little break right now, letting our good buddy Otto take care of business, and we'll report back in a bit. Awesome. So, good news, we're almost there. We sailed pretty much all but the last 2 miles. The wind kind of died. Kathy and I had a disastrous deal with the spinnaker that we put up. Basically, we got hit by a couple of incredible gusts, rocked the boat, rocked the spinnaker. I don't think we've yelled at each other this much in a long time, but all is good now. We still love each other, and we will not get a spinnaker get in the way between us and our love. Anyhow, we're almost there. So wow, what a day! Geesh. Okay, I am tired. I am hot. I am sweaty. I am ready to take a load off my feet. That's for sure. So yeah, a quick mile and a half into the bay, and life is good. Awesome. Okay, and we are coming into the marina. We'll be there shortly. So yeah, a new place for us. Okay, we made it to Longbranch Marina.
Yeah, it's the first time I've been here. I've anchored in 3 different spots.
Bob was impossible to catch up with. He was always just
means something. I don't know
just
what it means.
ahead, just a little bit ahead. So,
Yeah.
but it's nice. We sailed most of the way except for the last 2 miles. So
Super.
it was a good day. Cool little marina. Looking forward to checking it out.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.